Welcome to our English space. Let's get started.
Sprinting.
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 Hurdles.
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 High jump.
High jump.
High jump.
Long jump.
Long jump. Long jump.
Pole vault.
Pole vault.
Pole vault.
Shot put. Shot put.
Shot put.
Discus throw.
Discus throw.
Discus throw. Javelin throw.
Javelin throw.
Javelin throw.
Skydiving. Skydiving.
Skydiving.
Race walking.
Race walking.
Race walking.
Synchronized swimming.
Synchronized swimming.
Synchronized swimming.
Ice climbing.
Ice climbing.
Ice climbing.
That's impressive. You completed the step without any problems. Don't stop now. Keep going here.